Okay.
Okay. Okay. So what we're gonna make today is a snack.
So first you toast a piece of bread.
1 piece for each person.
Cut
and
it
then
in
you
half.
cut it in half.
Long ways.
It should be like somewhere like that. And then
Ooh, I messed up.
it's fine. It's fine. Okay. And then
you get peanut butter.
It can be any kind of peanut butter.
Smooth. I like smooth peanut butter better though. Just a little bit.
Wait, what's it?
Where's my pen? Where's my pen?
Right there.
Little bit peanut butter.
Well, that fills the whole bread.
Huh?
That fills the whole bread.
Yeah. Don't make it thick though.
Yeah. Okay, I'm done. I'll just show them
Show them what it looks like.
Oh. It should look like that. Can't really see it. The light is on.
If you don't like peanut butter, don't put it on.
Yeah. Pretty sure you like something of ours on there. And it should look somewhere around that. You don't want to put too much. We did that mistake last time.
Yes, it is.
And then what you do next, I guess it could be any kind of chocolate, but we just thought
Nutella.
Go dipping your finger in it, Grace.
Use your peanut butter on it.
It's fine.
Just kind of get into it.
It's how much? Oh, and mark it on your plate like I did. And then it should look like that.
I can't really see the peanut butter.
You can see the chocolate definitely. Should look somewhere like that, even less. I just like Nutella a lot. What are we gonna put on next?
Reese's.
And I guess it's kind of like the other one. No, it's not like the other one that we made.
No,
But we are gonna use Rice Krispie treats again.
The cereal.
The cereal. Use like that much. Just kind of sprinkle it on
A little bit
there.
more than that.
And then it should look like that. Whoa, push your head. Okay. And then we're gonna use our little what? Oh, and we're gonna use.
Oh wait.
What's that right there?